How to track business spending on the Wise app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to stay on top of your company expenses, well, in this video, I'll show you how to easily track your business spending using the Wise app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your business account. And also make sure that you're using the correct profile if you have both personal and business accounts. And now here from the home screen you can just tap on the activity tab at the bottom, and this section shows all your business account transaction in real time, from card payments to transfers and conversion. And there you can use the filter option to narrow down your view. You can sort your expenses by date, currency, or transaction type, which is perfect if you are reviewing cost for a specific project or a time period. So there you can just tap on any transaction to get detailed insight like the merchant name, amount spent, currency conversion, and even the exchange rate used. And this helps you to stay transparent and organized. And to track your spending by currency, you can just head over to the Balances tab, and this gives you a breakdown of how much you are spending in different currencies, which is great for managing international expenses. And if your team members have Wise Card, you can also track their expenses. You just need to go to the Cards tab and select the user's card, and after that you just have to review their transaction history. And that's it. That's how you can track business spending on the Wise app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.